Hi everyone, Jan is here, and today I'm going to show you how to use JFX LineTrader Pro EA. We will look at pending orders, how to place them, and also instant orders. So if you'll see, you will have a panel looking like this. Make sure that you have a smiley face. If not, you really need to check if you have auto trading switched on, and also in EA itself settings in common allow DLL imports and also allow live trading. So if you have it all done, all perfect, plus of course you have an active license, it should be all done. So next you need to place your setups, your wherever the distances you want to have, for the stop losses, take profits, and it's going to be of course up to you which ones you want to put in. The introduction video I showed to you that it's inputs, and we have this trade setting section too, where you can place different setups wherever you would like to. So I'm going to make an example on a euro dollar. I have some setups here, usual, also not point, not two, slightly more. I put like take profit to 20 points, stop loss 600 points for example, then make to move stop to break even at 120 points and with a little bit of extra 40 points, and usual standard close half positions at 220, and the rest of it should be trail. So, and also it has a recovery switched on, but I'll make a separate video with the recovery because you have different modes. And so at this moment this video is just if you're the first time using the EA, it's just to know how to place the orders. And also of course, as I was telling you, buy stop, sell limit, buy limit, with the distances where you can change. So I have at this moment 200 points. So let's say you have a situation on the market when you have a bit of a pattern, and you want to place the orders for the strategies breakout, right? So you want to, if it will break down, you want to sell, or if it will break up, you want to buy. So instead of buying and selling instantly straight away, you of course want to have a bit of confirmation. So it depends on what strategy you use. My strategy is just place the distance. So I put like 200 points. It's on euro dollar. On the other pairs it could be slightly bigger because of the spread. So, and all you have to do, you just go to this panel, and you have here two types of level lines. You have level lines and trend lines. I going to start to, because it's a back test and I need to a little bit movements to show it to you. See trend lines and level lines. So right now in here I want to use trend lines because it's not a horizontal channel. So what I'm going to do is press level lines, then I will switch to trend lines, and now I'm going to take and press buy stop, you see, and then you have this green line which you can drag around and change position. So you grab the one side of it and another side of it, and that's how you place it, right? So that's you drawing your little triangle, your little trend line. So you see it's not horizontal, and all you have to wait now for this price to break through, and for me it's 20 pips above, so, and then it would be a buy. And now at the same time I want to have just in case, because for example with my strategy you don't even need to know which way it will go. As long as you have a pattern, you just draw your levels and that's it. It's going to go one or another direction. So you see, now all my market is inside that pattern between the levels, and it's started to move. So now I'm going to leave it, and on the screen here it shows you what do you have. So we have euro dollar sell stop, enter 200 points from this level, and buy stop 200 points from that level. So you see it shows you also in points how close your price from the possible entries. So, and now I'm going to speed up. All you have to do is really just walk away and wait for the action happens, right? You don't need to be there, you don't need to watch this when it happens, you know, that's it. Now you can see, I'm going to pause it, and it's turned the color into the yellow, and it shows you here is the buy order right? And it's entered 200 points away from the level, and it's placed the stop loss also. And you see here is another button appeared. It is it's just easier, it's better to track instead of looking, for example, into your the screen down there. So now you know that you have one trade. It will have also the number of the order opened. So if you just leave it running, it will continue which way, up or down. So either continue in with my setting right now, close half position, or of course it might turn around, hit the stop loss, and then either if you have a recovery, it will have a recovery. So what you really need to do, we don't have an option to cancel the opposite order, because sometimes, you know, when the market can move both directions and you can get in both trades. So that's what you need to really cancel manually. So you either can double press on them and delete, or you can just press remove lines. So if you will do so, it will remove all the lines. You see, while I was still doing it, the trade's already closed with some profits. So now that's how you use trend lines. So exactly the same, you can place sell limit and buy limit. As you can see, they are exactly the same, but it's limit orders. So let's say now we want to, well, we're going to wait for some consolidation, right? So when the market started to consolidate a little bit more into a channel, for example, let's say this is a little channel we have. Let's slow down a bit, just well, let's just leave it okay running. And let's say, yes, this is our channel, and now we want to place horizontal lines. So we are going to press trend lines, and then it shows us level lines, you see, and then I'm going to just press buy stop, and wherever I want to put it, right, with my channel, and I want to place sell stop, the same horizontal line, and that's how you move it. So you just place it here, and that's it. They're pretty much done. So your market is inside the levels, inside here, and just now consolidating, and you leaving it once again with all your settings, waiting for wherever it's going to break out. And once again, the distance you can see here, 200 points and 200 points from one level up and another level. So that's how you use. These are the pending orders: buy stop, sell limit, buy limit. So exactly, buy limit, sell limit is exactly the same. And with the distance also, wherever you want to put it in. So well, we can wait for possible breakout or something, but I don't think you understand, I guess, the how it works, how to place it, and how it works. Now let's see the instant orders, right? So now we just going to remove these orders. Well, I'll show you again. Let's say sell limit. So if you place sell limit, well, here we're not going to wait for it, right? But when you place sell limit, it will be 20 pips above the level. So which is also, if you are not sure, it tells you here. You see the price, so that's the price where the level is, and that's the price where it will take you into the trade. So 20 pips above the level. So, and then you just need to see where you want it to place. And the same exactly with buy limit here. It will be 20 pips below the level, which also tells you the price. So where you get your level and where is your entry point is going to be, right? So that's how you place the levels. So now let's do the instant. That's the new buttons, which are also useful, like I'm saying, buy and sell orders. So you see the market moves very fast and you want to quickly jump into the trade. So you see I placed sell order and it's already got me out with the profit. You see how fast it is? Well, okay, let's say I'm going to do buy, which is probably not going to go the way I wanted to go, for example, but that's how the instant, the buttons exactly as the usual instant entries works, but you already have your setups here. You see how fast it was, and by the time you would think, for example, what to do with, the market is already turned around, and with a little bit of our close half positions and trail, it did the job. So once again, for example, that's what, if I don't want to use my pending orders, market moves, let's say well, what we're going to do, I don't know. Okay, it's moving up. Let's do again another buy. And you can see here, once again, it shows you your trades. You see one of it is already in profit, closed half positions, moved, it didn't close yet, but it's moved the stop loss into break even. You see, and you don't need to do it manually. So just a very useful to do it that way, see. And if you want to close, pretty much you could have closed yourself. Well, now it's done by EA, but if you want to just close it wherever, you just press that green button and that's it. It's just close the trade without continue with the settings, right? So let's say we just place few wherever, buy, sell. So you have like lots of trades going on and you just think, okay, I had enough, and you want to close all of them in one go. So you just press, okay, close all trades, and you see all three of them closed in one click. So that's the simple and easy the buttons, how to use the levels and buy and sell buttons, instant orders. So I think I covered it, guys. So thank you for watching. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you're interested in EA, please find the description under this video where you can get it. And happy trading, everyone. I see you in my next video. Bye.